Past Matt here, drummer died. The rust had spread too far. This is your new van. I fixed oil and coolant leaks, and I've decided to bring over the aircon, heated windscreen and electric windows. Well, I've pulled it all out. It's up to you to make it work. There's a box of Ryobi tools in the back. Perhaps you could do a giveaway when you reach 1,000 subscribers. I didn't have time to transfer the conversions, so keep watching for a summary of all the work I've done so far. Some of your viewers might have questions too, so remind them to ask away in the comments. You can answer each of them when you make the video transferring the conversion. Here's what's been done so far. Thanks for sticking around. I'm actively filming and editing a new batch of content, so check in next week for a new video.